Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website with the help of HTML and CSS. So without wasting a time, let's start. So here is the website that I'm going to show you how to create it. Here I am adding one h1 tag, one contact page, adding one image with name and profession, adding their educational qualification, their work experience and their hobbies, and adding one footer. So to code this website, I am using VS Code. You can use any software like Sublime Text Editor. You can use Notepad++ or a lot of software are available. You can use what you are comfortable with. So this is the image that I am using to create this website. I already downloaded this image from unsplash.com. If you have any image, you can use that one. So first of all, I am creating a folder. I rename this project 1 and I am moving this image on this folder. Okay, so here is the folder that I have to upload on VS Code. Okay, so this is my VS Code editor. First of all, I have to open that folder in which I added my image. So go to file, click on open folder and select that folder in which your image is added. Then click on select folder. So now this folder is added in our VS Code. So first of all, I am adding one HTML file whose name is index.html. Then press enter. Then I am adding one CSS file whose name is stylesheet.css. Then press enter. Then again I am adding one more HTML file whose name is contactme.html. Press enter. So I hope you like this video, and if you are a beginner, you will definitely learn something new after watching this video. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.